Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back. Today what we're doing is we're changing the air filter on a 1.9 diesel. It's actually with a Seat, but it's a Volkswagen engine basically. Common problem with this air filter housing is basically, where we go, so it's held in with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these screws. Now some of them are actually okay. It's a Phillips head, but some of them are totally gone. They're just totally rotten, and you're never going to get them out with a screwdriver. So basically, what to do is get yourself one of these bolt grip sets. So it's just basically like a socket. If you can see inside it, if that focuses, see inside it, it's like a slotted grip in it. So basically, I was struggling to get this bolt out of here, this screw. So you put that over the screw head, because I've actually taken it out. I'll show you. That's it going in. Screw it back down. It's just they're so bad and you can't get them out. And if it's pouring with rain or you're in a hurry, so basically, obviously Phillips screwdriver, it's just burning round, you know, that's never coming out. There is other ways you can do it. You can put like a hacksaw slot in it, but get yourself one of these kits. This is made by Irwin. It's got a slotted head on it there, see? Put it over the bolt, and what it does is it grips onto the Phillips screw. That's it for them. And away you go. Saves a lot of hassle. Try to get it with one hand. That's coming out. What I do as well is I take these screws out, sorry. So I take all these screws out, which go in here. And what I do is I just replace them with new screws, star-headed ones, zinc plated, because all you'll do is you'll have the same problem again, eh? So it's just a matter of putting the filter in, dead easy. There we go. Nice new filter. Put that back on like that, and what we'll do is we'll just get these zinc-headed screws, and I'll screw them back in, and that should last a good couple of years. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. Like and subscribe, and if you don't mind, give me a wee thumbs up. That'd be great. Take care. Thanks. Bye.